Hey guys, Josh Cleverly here. As you can see, I'm standing in a shower that we prepared for SureCrete's overlay systems. Anybody who's been online or seen any articles about Leanne Ford knows that people love to put our materials on vertical surfaces. So over the course of a couple days and through the magic of film, we're going to show you how that's done. We've got all the products here that we're going to use. So now that we've prepared our shower system for the overlay by putting 2 coats of ElastoShield on it, we're going to prime the surface with SureSpray. The reason we do that is there's still minor imperfections in this, and we want to make sure that we have a really smooth canvas to put the microtopping on so that the finish that we want, which is smooth in this case, is as nice as possible. So SureSpray to fill out the voids and to eliminate any imperfections, 1 coat of that. We'll let that dry, and then we're going to come back and we're going to put 2 coats of microtopping on it. And as you continue with us, we'll talk a little bit about sealing it before we wrap up the project. Okay, so you just saw us put down the SureSpray really quickly. We're back. We've actually put on the Microtek One Coat, and we're going to put a 2nd coat on now. So we've got our mixed water ready, we've got our excess color pack, white water that we're doing, and we've got our microtopping. So this is the final coat. This is a kiss coat before we move on to sealer. This video is a little introductory video, a little teaser put on with SureCrete and CNJ Innovations out of Wausau, Wisconsin. Stay tuned because we're going to have a full training video put on by CNJ Innovations to show you how to do a shower install from start to finish. Take a look at this with us and then watch us seal it here in a few moments. Alright, we're here again. We've finished our 2nd coat of micro topping. We've got our XS 327 matte. We're using that today because the client wants as natural a finish as possible. And we need to thank CNJ Innovations from Wausau, Wisconsin, for allowing us to do this with them today. And again, this is just a teaser of a greater video to come. CNJ Innovations is going to put together a full shower install for us. So keep an eye on our Instagram, which is SureCrete Design, and our YouTube page, Phoenix TV, for that video to launch here in a few weeks. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for using SureCrete products.